Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namitha. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 7, Fractions of Grade 6 Mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganitha Prakash. And we are going to learn how to compare fractions in this particular video. So here we are supposed to compare which is greater, 4 upon 5 or 7 upon 9. Now it can be difficult to compare two such fractions directly because here neither the numerator is same nor the denominator is same. If the denominator is same, if we make it equivalent fraction, then it is easy to compare. So let us see how we can do it. So what is done over here? 4 upon 5, it is multiplied by 9 because 5 9s are 45. So you get 4 9s are 36. You need to multiply 9 with both numerator and denominator. So 4 9s are 36, 9 5s are 45. And the other fraction 7 upon 9 is to be multiplied with 5. 7 5s are 35 and 9 into 5 is 45. Why we multiplied this with 9 and this with 5? Because 45 is the common multiple of 4 and 5 and 9, right? So that the denominator is same 45 45, then it's easy to compare, and we can see that 36 upon 45 is greater than 35 upon 45, right? So when you make the denominators same, then it is very easy to compare fractions, right? So now you can easily say and write the original form then. The original form of 36 upon 45 is 4 upon 5, and for 35 upon 45 is 7 upon 9, right? Now one more example is given. Let us try for another part, that is 7 upon 9, 17 upon 21. Now here 63 is a common multiple. Now how to find out common multiple? I'll just teach you how to find out the LCM, least common multiple. The denominators are 9 and 21, right? So we need to use only prime numbers over here. So you can start with 3. 3 3s are 9, so write 3 over here. And 3 7s are 21, so 7. Then again take 3. 3 is also a prime number. 3 1s are 3. 7 as it is because 7 doesn't come in the table of 3. Then last 7 is left and 7 is a prime number, so we take 7 1s are 7. So you have to go on doing this process till you get 1 1 at the end, right? And multiply all these three numbers, 3 into 3 into 7. So 9 7s are 63. So this is how we can find out the common multiple of the denominators, right? Once you get the common multiple, that is LCM, we will convert the denominator into this common multiple. So 9 multiplied by 7, 9 7s are 63, right? So multiply both numerator and denominator. So 7 7s are 49 and 9 7s are 63, right? And for 17 upon 21, 21 3s are 63. So 17 3s are 51. So you got both the denominators same. Now you can easily compare that 51 upon 63 is greater or 17 upon 21 is greater, right? So this way, by making the denominators same, you can compare fractions very easily. So let us just summarize the steps. First, to compare two or more given fractions. There can be 3 or more fractions. So change the given fraction to equivalent fractions so that they are all expressed with the same denominator or same fractional unit. And then you can compare the numerator. The greater the numerator, the greater the fraction, right? So now with this knowledge, there are some questions given. There is a figure it out exercise given. We will solve this, figure it out one by one. There are 3 questions. One is to compare the fractions, okay? And then there is one, find out the ascending and the descending order. For all, the steps remain the same. First, you need to make equivalent or like fractions. You need to find out that. Okay, so let us now solve the figure it out exercise. So question number 1 is compare. So 8 upon 3 and 5 upon 2, we need to compare which is greater. Now, I'll teach you some tricks somewhere where you need not find out the common multiple, or you can directly find out the common multiple by following some steps or having some idea about the denominator. Now, if you look at the denominators here this is 3 and 2. Now, 3 and 2 are co-primes. Co-primes means, if you remember, we had done this earlier in the previous chapters, they do not have any other common factor. So when two numbers, two denominators are co-prime, their LCM will be their product. So that is 3 2s are 6. So you need not do the steps over here. Now what you can do, take the fractions one by one. So first is 8 upon 3. So you need to change the denominator to 6. So it will be multiplied by 2. So 8 2s are 16. 3 2s are 6. Then we take the second denominator, that is second fraction, that is 5 upon 2. Now we change the denominator to 6. So we multiply both by 3. So 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6. Now we can easily compare 16 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Which is greater? Naturally, the number with the greater, the fraction with the greater numerator will be greater when the denominators are same. Question B is 4 upon 9 and 3 upon 7. Now here again 9 and 7 are co-primes. So LCM will be their product. 9 7s are 63. When they are co-primes and LCM is their product, you need to multiply. You can say cross multiplication. The denominator of this will be multiplied with this fraction. So multiply both by 7. 7 4s are 28 and 9 7s are 63. Okay. And the other fraction 3 upon 7, it will be multiplied with the other denominator, that is 9. Right. So 9 3s are 27 upon 7 9s are 63. Now the denominators are same. So we can say 28 upon 63 is greater than 27 upon 63. This is answer number B. Now the third question, C question, is 7 upon 10 and 9 upon 14. Now if you look at the denominators, they are not co-primes. Here 2 is the common factor, right? So when they are not co-primes, you need to find out LCM. Okay. So 10 and 14. Always use prime numbers over here. So we start with 2, both are even. 2 5s are 10. So write 5 over here, and 2 7s are 14. So write 7 over here. Now 5 is a prime number, so we can take 5. 5 1s are 5. 7 will be as it is because 7 is not a multiple of 5. Then take 7, 1 as it is, 7 1s are 7. Now when you multiply all this, you will get the LCM. So 2 into 5 into 7. 2 5s are 10 into 7 is 70. Right? Now you can observe that when they are not co-primes, their LCM would not be their product. Product of 10 and 14 is 140 and LCM is 70. So in such cases, you need to do this method and find out LCM. Okay. So now if we take the first fraction, that is 7 upon 10. Now 10, you need to make it 70, so you multiply by 7. 10 7s are 70. 7 7s are 49 upon 70. Then we take the second fraction, 9 upon 14. Now suppose you don't know the table of 14. You can, I'll teach you a trick, because sometimes the numbers are, many numbers are there and the LCM is quite big. You may not know the table. So what to do? What is the trick? Here, the denominator is 14. So you find out what is 14 here. 7 2s are 14. What is remaining is 5. So multiply by 5. 14 5s are will be 70. 9 5s are 45. 14 5s are 70. So this is a trick when the numbers are too big. If you don't know the table of 14, such tricks will help you, right? Now the denominator is same. So we can easily identify the number which is larger So 49 upon 70 is greater than 45 upon 70. And you can always write the original form. What was original form of 49 upon 70? That was 7 upon 10. So you can say 7 upon 10 is greater than 9 upon 14. Correct? So this is answer number C. Now let us do question number D. So D, it is 12 upon 5 and 8 upon 5. Now here you can see that the denominator is same. So you can easily identify which is greater. Denominator is same, 12 is greater than 8. So you can, without doing any method, you can just write directly 12 upon 5 is greater. Correct? Question number E. E is 9 upon 4 and 5 upon 2. Right? You can see here now if we compare the denominators, 4 is a multiple of 2. Right? So what we do when one of them is a multiple, you simply multiply this fraction 5 upon 2 by 2. Why? Because this becomes 10 upon 4 then. So now the denominator is same, 9 upon 4, and this becomes 10 upon 4. So then you can easily compare. Again here you need not find out the LCM. Right? So very rare cases you need to find out LCM if you are able to apply such tricks. So this is question number 1. Question number 2, now you need to write the same fractions in ascending order. Right? So first step is to decide whether for ascending order you need to know which one is smaller, which one is greater. Right? Again, you need to compare. So the first step is to find out LCM of all the 3 denominators, that is 10, 15 and 5. Right? So first see the common factor is 5 in all of them. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Then we take 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. We take 1, then 3. Always use prime numbers. I am repeating that again and again. So 3 1s are 3, right? So now you multiply all this. LCM would be the product of this. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 is the LCM. So again we take all the 3 fractions one by one. It is similar to what we did in question 1. We need to convert. Now 10. So 5 2s are 10. What is remaining is 3. So multiply both by 3. So 7 3s are 21 upon 10 3s are 30. Second one is 11 upon 15. What is 15? 5 and 3 is 15. What is left is 2. So multiply by 2. Automatically you will get the LCM. Right? So 11 2s are 22 upon 30. Third one is 2 upon 5. Now what is left here? 5 is here. What is left is 2 3s are 6. So multiply by 6. Or you can think 5 6 are 30. So that's why we are multiplying by 6. So 2 6 are 12 and 5 6 are 30. Right? Now all the denominators are same. So very easy for you to compare ascending order. You need to write. So in ascending order, first we write the smallest, right? Ascending, you are going from down to up. Fine. So smallest is 12 upon 30, less than 21 upon 30. It is less than 22 upon 30. And at the end, write the original form. So 12 upon 30 is 2 upon 5. Okay. You can write the original form always. Is less than 21 upon 30 is 7 upon 10 is less than 11 upon 15. That's your answer number A. Right? Now we'll do question number B of the same ascending order. So question B is 19 upon 24, then 5 upon 6, and 7 upon 12. So again, the first step is, now here also I'll teach you one trick. What we can do to find out LCM directly, you can circle out of these three which is the largest. 24 is the largest, right? So circle that. Think that that is your LCM. And just check the other numbers like 6, 4s are 24. So 6 is a factor of 24. So this gets cancelled, right? 12 2s are 24. So this also gets cancelled, means the LCM is 24, right? Or you can do method. If it is asked by the teacher that show method, then you need to show method. That also I'll show you 24 to 6 and 12. Right? Don't start with 6. 6 is not a prime number. Use always composite. Sorry, 6 is not a, yes, prime number. It is a composite number. So use only prime number. So 2, 2 12s are 24, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again take 2, 2 6 are 12, comma. It doesn't come in the table of 3, so write 3 as it is. 2 3s are 6. Again take 2, 2 3s are, now all are 3, so that becomes easy. So 3 1 1 1, right? So the LCM is 24. If we multiply all of them, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now we take the fractions one by one. So 19 upon 24, no need to do anything because 24 is the LCM. So it will remain as it is. 5 upon 6, 6 4s are 24. So we multiply both by 4. So 5 4s are 20 and this becomes 24. Then 7 upon 12, 12 2s are 24. So multiply both by 2. 7 2s are 14 upon 24. Right? Now the denominator is same. So you can write the order of the answer. First one is 14 upon 24. That is less than 19 upon 24. That is less than 20 upon 24. So this is your answer number B. Question number 3, descending order. Right? Here also if you observe all the denominators, you see the biggest one, 32. Right? And all are factors of 32. 4 8s are, 8 4s are, 16 2s are. So LCM will be 32. Right? But I'll show you the method as well for you to do it in exam. Otherwise, when you grow, this tricks will help you when you grow up because LCM will be a part of other sums. So we start with a prime number 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 16s are. Again we take 2, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Again we take 2, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Again we take 2, so 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. And last left is 2. So 1 1 1 1. Right, so LCM is 32 as I told you. The largest is the LCM because all others are the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Right, now we change all of them into like fractions or equivalent fractions. So 25 upon 16 if I take, 16 2s are 32, so we multiply both by 2, so 50 upon 32. Second is 7 upon 8. 8 4s are 32, so we multiply both by 4. 28 upon 32. Then is 13 upon 4. One by one we'll take each fraction and convert them into 32. So 4 8s are 32. So we multiply both by, so 13 into 8 we multiply, 4 8s are 32, 13 8s are 104. This is 32, not 38. right? And the last fraction is already the LCM is 32. Now you can easily arrange. So 17 upon 32 is the smallest, as you can see. Now, okay, this question is descending order. So we need to take the largest first, right? So first largest is 100 upon 104 upon 32. Largest, then comes 50 upon 32. Then comes 28 upon 32. And last is 17 upon 32. Right? This is answer number A. Question number 3B, descending order. First again, I'll teach you trick. Those who can catch up the trick, then it's very easy. And I'll show you the method as well. Right? So if we want to find out LCM, as I told you, just select the circle, the largest number. So largest is 12 over here. Fine. If you see 4 3s are 12. So 4 is a factor, cancel that. Here also 4 is a factor, so cancel that. 5 is not a factor of 12, so you can simply multiply 12 5s are 60 is the LCM. Let us check our trick. 4, 5, 12. I'm not writing 4 again because it is same. The LCM will be same. Right? So we start with 2. 2 2s are 5 as it is. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 again. 2 1s are 5 as it is. 2 3s are. You can take 5 first. You can take 3 also first. So 5 1s are, and this is 3 as it is. Then we take 3 1 1 1. Right? So LCM is 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6. See, here also you need to know the trick. See how I multiply when the numbers are too many. 5 2s are 10. Always find a combination of 10 because multiplying by 10 is easy, and 2 3s are 6. So 6 10s are 60. LCM is 60. Otherwise, you will have to do a lot of rough work. Fine. Now let us take the fractions one by one. So first is 3 upon 4. Now, suppose you don't know what is 4 into what is 60. You need to convert this into 60. So again, I told you the trick. Just apply that. From the factors which are given over here, what is 4 is 2 2s are 4. Right? Here it is 4. What is remaining is 5 3s are 15. So multiply this by 15. So 15 4s are is 60. So you'll get the LCM like that. 15 3s are is 45. Then we take the second fraction, 12 upon 5. Right? So here you just hide 5. 5 is the denominator. So other than 5, multiply all numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So multiply by 12. So 12 12s are 144 and 12 5s are 60. Correct? Now again 7 upon 12. So 12 5s are 60, sorry. We just saw. So we multiply by 5. 7 5s are 35 and 12 5s are 60. Right? Now the last fraction is 5 upon 4. We already saw 4 into 15. So 15 we multiply both by. So 15 5s are 75 upon 15 4s are 60. Correct? Then we just write them in descending order because our question was descending order. So first is the largest is 144 upon 60 is the greatest. Then comes 75 upon 60. Then comes 45 upon 60. And then is 35 upon 60. So this is the last answer of the figure it out exercise. We'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.